In this video, let's see a conceptual understanding of loop block in integration procedure. When we need to use loop block, when we need to repeat execution of each record of list. Here premium is list, this is a list notation, and I want to perform some kind of operation on each record of this list repeatedly, then I need to use here loop block. Let's understand this, how this works and how we can make use of this loop block. And the point here is we must have input in the list format if we want to use loop block. If it is not there, we can use the list function to make the input in the list format. Let's see the first example to understand the concept of loop block. Display each element of list. Let me create one new integration procedure. To understand how this loop block works, test loop block type we can give here something, and let's save it. To save time, I had prepared the JSON like this. I have here SFI cloud as the list where I do have some clouds. I'm copying this JSON. Here I need to use the loop block, so drag this loop block and drop it from the group section. In the preview, I need to use the list variable, because this loop block expects a list variable. First of all, let me change the element name. Test. Below that loop list variable, I need to mention. Do I have that? No. So first let's add it. You may face this issue in the integration procedure that in the input parameter sometimes you are not able to type anything. So let's refresh the page and later you need to try it again. Go to the preview, edit as JSON. Yeah, now I'm copying this JSON what I have prepared already. This JSON is SFI cloud is a list name. This is in the list format. And we do have some records for it, different clouds in the SFI. Then this is what my list name, copy it, go to the properties, LB test, this is a loop block, loop list is this one. It means this loop block is going to repeat for each element of this list. Now at initial level, just for understanding, I need to display each element of list. So how to display it? If I don't do anything here, if I say only preview, execute, nothing is here because we have not used the response action, but we can see that in the execution sequence. Let's check this. Yeah, our loop is getting executed. A loop block iteration number and the status of the iteration. It's true. So first time it's executed, second time, likewise 6 times our loop is executed because there are 6 records in this SFI cloud list. Make it simple. Let's use one response action. As I mentioned in my previous video, whenever you want to show any output, copy the step name or element name. In the response action, send JSON path, paste it. It means this IP will understand I want to show output of this step with the help of response action. Let's execute. Then in this middle section, in the response section, you can see output of loop block. Here I can see here 6 times this loop is repeated. But what I want to show this health communication FSC, each element of this list. How to show this? I want to show the cloud value. Yeah, but where is the cloud? Cloud is under this list SFI cloud. So copy this node name, paste it, cloud. So SFI cloud is the list variable name. Under that cloud is a node. So copy this everything. Go to the properties. In the loop block, there is an additional loop output variable. It means we are already getting this loop variable output, iteration index and iteration status. Here additionally I want to show something like this, cloud equals to, in double percentage you can paste it. I want to show this list and its element. Let's see preview, execute. Yeah, I can see iteration index plus additional output, cloud is health, here cloud is communication. Similarly, I can show all the clouds whatever I have given in this SFI cloud list. So I can see here all the clouds. So this way I can show each element of the list. Let's see second example. Display each number of list with square. I do have some numbers. I want to show its square. To save time, I do have JSON already. I'm copying this JSON, going to the integration procedure, replace this JSON. What I want to show here is I have number list and having some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to display square of these numbers. In the properties, you can use the same loop block or you can use another one. You can delete this or you can make it inactive. In the loop block, again, the first step, base practice, give the name to this loop block. I can give here something LV square. Copy this element name or step name and add it into response action. Okay, because I want to see output of this loop block. Then loop list. What's the list variable name? This notation you need to keep in mind. This is the list notation. What's the loop variable name here? Number list. Copy it, paste it. Let's execute what we are able to see. How many numbers we do have? 6 number. So 6 time loop is getting executed. Iteration index and status. Let's check one by one. First, if I want to show number only, what are the number we are getting? In the number list, copy it. I want to show this number 1, 2, 3, 4. So copy this number, colon, number list, colon, number. Copy it. In the properties equals to percentage like this. So in this number list, I am displaying these numbers with the help of additional loop output. So what you mention here number, or I can say here number var, for example. So this is the additional loop output. So number var will be displayed along with this two output of the loop. That's the additional output. Let's execute. Yeah, I can see here number var along with iteration index, status. I can see here number. Like here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I can see all these numbers. But this is not our requirement. I want to show square of this number. So there are multiple ways in this loop block. Let me show you one way which may be helpful in the projects, that is using the set value. How this work? Let's understand first. In this number list, I do have some records. Our loop will be repeated all these records. The first number is 1. So first number is 1. It's coming here. It will go to the set value as well. Let me give name of this step SV. In this set value, I'm adding here one element name, that is, let me show you square. Here in the function, I want square, but of what? In this list, I'm getting the number. I want square of this. So I'm copying this, going to the set value. This set value is repeating every time whatever the number we have in the number list. Suppose it's executing first time. So I'm getting some number. For example, 1. I want square of it. So what I will be doing? Copy it. Square means multiplication of same number 2 times. In the function you can see this same number multiplied by itself. So this result will be calculated and its output will be assigned to the variable square. But where is the square? Square is under the step SV. So we can formulate or frame like this: SV colon square. So SV colon square, this store the result of square of each number of the list. But I want to display this. So I will go to the outside, that is in the loop block. In the additional loop output, I will add one more key value pair like square. Here I will say like this. How this will work? Loop block started execution. First number, it will go inside the set value. Number list colon number, for example 1. 1 into 1, 1. Square value is assigned to the variable square. But where is this square? Under the SV. So sv underscore square contains 1, come outside, this square result assigned to the square additional loop output variable. So here number is 1, its square is also 1. Second time loop is going to repeat. What's the number here? 2. It will execute set value. So number list colon number 2, 2 into 2, 4. This 4 will be assigned to square. But where is the square? Under the SV. So SV colon square contains 4. And this value will be assigned to square. And this additional loop output, all these values are under the LB square, or I can say loop block square. And that we are going to show here. So let's see in the preview whether this is working or not. So in this additional loop output, I do have here index, square, its status and number variable. It means this is my number, its square is 1. 1 square is 1. Here we can check number is 2, square is 4. Similarly, we can check for all the numbers. Hence, we are able to show here number and its square. For example, I only want to show square. In my previous video, I have explained this. Now, this is completely output of loop, but I want to show only square. Copy it. Go to the properties in the response action. I have mentioned here LB square. It means I want to show output of this complete step. So complete output is like this. If I want to show out of that only square value, just go to the response action, colon, paste it. It means I want to show output of this step, and inside that step I want to show value of the square node only. So whatever after the square, it will be shown in the response section. So first iteration, square is 1, second iteration, square is 4. We are able to show this. But if we observe this, these values don't have any meaning. What is this 1, 4, 9, 16? So we can make some changes here. Okay, this is just for understanding. If I want to show something like this, square of number, square of number means what I want to show, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I require the number of the list. So I'm copying this as it is, and I need this as well. I'll be performing here concatenation of the string like this. So here it will be a number, okay, and concatenation with the square, it will be their square. And I want to display only square of number. Let me display everything to understand it. Let's display everything. I'm writing only the step name in the response action. So we will be able to see everything about the loop block. Yeah, iteration, index, square, square of number is 2. Number variable is 1. Square of number is 6. So our whatever the concatenation of the string, it's in which variable? Square of number. So I want to display only this one. So in this loop block, I want to display only square of number additional output variable, not all. Now we are able to see all, but I want to display only this one. So let's execute. Again, we are getting in the same format. It's doing the addition actually. I want concatenation of the string. What's happening here? It's doing the addition. Plus means, sorry, in the loop block, it's performing here addition, number and its square. To avoid this, what I will do, in the double quotes, I will tell this system that this is, I don't want to perform numerical addition here. I want string addition. That means I want to perform concatenation like this. So let's see. Previously it was performing summation of number and its square. Now let's execute. Now it's working something like this. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4. So this is what expected. We can again modify this, like I can mention here square. This is a square notation. So number square is this result. Let's say okay. Execute. Yeah, this is fine now. 1 square is 1, 4 square is 16, like that. If you want, you can add here some more numbers 1 to 10 and you can display like this. So this way we can use the loop block and we can play inside this JSON format. Now we have one more example, display total premium paid including the tax. Like I do have here premium list variable contains some 1 to 3 records and those records contain premium and tax value. I want to perform addition of premium plus tax and at the end I want to show total amount which has been paid. So to save time I do have JSON ready, copy it, go to the IP preview, utilize the same JSON. You can inactive this loop block and let's create one more new loop block. Name of this loop block is LB premium, or I can say total premium. What is a loop list variable? As I explained, this is a loop list variable over which I need to repeat the execution of each record, premium list. So let's copy paste here and let's see whether this is working or not. In the response action I'm adding this step name of the loop, preview, execute. It's working. We do have 4 records here, so our 4 iterations of the loop. Let's execute some here in the additional output. What I need to display? Premium list. Let's display only premium. I just want to verify this is working or not. What's the name of the list variable? Premium list. Display the premium. Where is the premium then? Premium is under the premium list. So colon like this. Copy everything. Go to the properties. Like this. Premium list colon premium. So let's do the preview. Execute. Yeah, this is the additional output variable. So whatever the premium is here, that's coming. But what exactly we want? I want to perform addition of the total premium paid for one policy. Like here premium is 1000 plus tax is 20. So I want to display here 1020. So let's see how we can do this. As I mentioned, inside the set value I can show it. So let's take one more set value, change the name of it. So I can say SV. It's already used, hence giving the error. Element name has to be unique for the same OmniScript or same component. That's the error message. So I can give here set value 1. What I want here? Total premium. This total premium means what? Addition of premium plus tax for one record. Okay. Suppose our loop starts iterating the first record. So I do have premium 1000 and tax 20. So our value should be 1020. But where is the premium? It's under the premium list like this. So let's copy it. Go inside here. Equals to double percentage, type it. Here I got the premium, but I want tax as well. So I can make use of the same and replace this premium by tax. Let's add percentage. How will this work? First iteration of this loop, premium list, its first record, it will start execution, will go inside, set value will start execution, the first element name total premium. What's the function is saying? This editor is saying in this first record, whatever the premium value, for example 1000 plus its tax 20, so 1020. So this summation will be performed. It will be assigned to total premium. But where is the total premium? Total premium is under the variable or element name SV1. So SV1 colon total premium shows a total premium value for first record, or I can say each record. So copy this and we need to show this. So in the loop block, here I can say total premium and here I can display it equals to percentage like this, total premium. Let's execute. Now you can see here first index or first iteration premium is 1000 but total is 1020. Addition of this, similarly addition of this, 2040, and same here 3060. So we are able to see addition of each of these. Now this is about the iteration of each record. In case I want to perform addition of all these total premiums, then how can we do this? There is also the way in the same set value you can perform here the addition. For example, let me show you here total premium like this. The way we used to do in the for loop. For example, there is a for loop like this, I equals to 1 to 5 I plus plus. If you remember a basic programming where we used to do like this, sum equals to sum plus I. Here sum will be initially 0. Similarly here I want to show total premium. So total premium equals to total premium plus each premium value. So let me show you how we can do this. Total premium. So response JSON path, I'm sending this total premium as total premium, but response JSON node will be paid. I'm changing the node name here. But first time I'm getting here 1020, that will be assigned to total premium paid. But next time it will be 2040 plus previous one. I'm copying this equals to, I'm mentioning here as well, plus like this. If you want, we can give in the percentage. So let's execute this total premium paid. I want to show this on the loop variable as well. Let's see whether it's executing as expected or not, else we can debug it and we can correct. Initially total premium is null. Okay, total premium paid is 1020. Next time it's showing 3060. Next time it's showing, likewise at the end it's showing final value 10,200. If we do addition of this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4,000 and addition of this, it should come as a 10,200. 2 plus 1 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10,000, and this remaining addition is 200. So it's showing the final value in the last iteration, because iteration by iteration it's increasing. For the first iteration it's a 1020 only. Second iteration, previous 1020 plus 2040, it's showing 3060. You can do this calculation and you can verify. In case I want to show only total premium paid, that also I can show. Here you can observe here total premium is coming null. You can debug it. What is happening here? Total premium equals to SV1. You can test this total premium SV1. It's coming null. So we can check why it's coming null. Total premium SV1. Oh, we are assigning this value here as a total premium paid. And when this set value is going to execute, it's returning the response JSON node as total premium paid. So this set value is returning this total premium paid and not this total premium. Hence the value is coming a null here. In fact, we don't require that as well. We don't require the first premium as well as total premium. We want final total premium paid. You can say execute, then it will show like this. If I want to show this, then I can go to properties. In the response action, I only want to show final amount total premium paid like this. So it's showing us initially for the first policy this much, then this much, then this much. If you think I want to show only 10,200, then how I can show it? Let's go to response action. Let's see whether we are able to show it or not. Execute. It's showing this final amount 10,200. We will say how. If you remember in the loop, for loop, for the last iteration, the sum will contain the final summation. Similarly, when this loop block is going to execute completely, in the final iteration, whatever is the value, the set value is going to reply or respond it as a response JSON node total premium paid. So this total premium paid will contain sum of all the record summation, and directly we can show that here. If you want to show along with some JSON label here, what is this? I don't know. So I can go to this properties in the response action. In the additional output response, select the checkbox, add key value pair. Here I can say like this, and let's execute. Yeah, total premium paid is 10,200. If you want to debug this, you can debug as well. In the execution sequence, you can see here how many records we do have. 4 records. So set value is going to execute 4 times. Total premium, see, we do have iteration number, total premium paid, it's coming here. All values are coming. So total premium paid last iteration value is 10,200, and that is what our final value. So this way loop used. I can understand these examples are not from the project scenarios, but these examples will help you to understand how to use the loop block in project. This is sample interview question. It is asking calculate total premium paid amount of purchase insurance policies to display on premium paid certification. So the way I explain here in the example 3, similar answer you can prepare for this interview question. You can mention your answer in the comment, or if you have any doubt, feel free to mention in the comment. In the next video, let's see few more use cases on integration procedure. Thank you for watching.